Welcome back. With CM Parrikar's resignation, the entire state cabinet will be dissolved. The new CM can choose cabinet of his choice. The new cabinet may have couple of new faces as Parrikar's exit will create a vacancy. Also, ministers' current portfolios may be reshuffled. It will have to be seen who takes charge of major portfolios like home, finance, mining and TCP. Legal expert Advocate Cleophas Coutinho explains the constitutional position.
With the resignation of the Chief Minister, the entire cabinet goes. The new Chief Minister shall have absolute discretion in choosing his new cabinet. It shall be a new government. But it is expected that the new government shall have almost the same faces, except maybe one where there is a vacancy because Mr. Parrikar goes to Delhi. It is to be seen whether Pramod Sawant takes it or Mickey takes it. Generally, I don't expect any major changes. Portfolios may have to be reshuffled because the Chief Minister was holding major portfolios like home, finance, town and country planning. So from that perspective, there could be shuffling of portfolios. Otherwise, there would be continuity in the names, except say one.
The weekly lottery draws of the IPA Proveedoria will be stopped from 1st January 2015. The lottery do not conform with the Lotteries Regulation Act 1998, which had come into force from October 2nd, 1997. It has been published by the Director of Information and Publicity. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.